In this video, I'll show you how to protect files on your computer using Windows encryption. First, open File Explorer and locate the file you want to protect. Now, right-click on the file and select Properties. In the General tab, click on the Advanced button. Under the Compress or Encrypt Attributes section, check the box that says Encrypt Contents to secure data. Then click OK. Now click Apply. A confirmation window may appear asking whether you want to encrypt only the file or the entire folder. Select Encrypt the file only if you only want to protect that specific file. Then click OK. After that, click OK again to close the Properties window. You may now notice a small lock icon on the file or folder. This means the file is protected and linked to your Windows account. Only your Windows user account will be able to open the encrypted file normally. If you want to remove the protection later, right-click on the encrypted file and select More option. Go to the File Ownership option and click on Personal. The lock icon will disappear, which means the protection has been removed. That's it. This is how you can protect files on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.